Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Today, I shall discuss with you about various types of test of divisibility. Various types of divisibility. Students, write on this board test of divisibility by 2, 3, 9, 5 and 10. Test of divisibility by 2, 3, 9, 5 and 10. I shall discuss one by one test of divisibility by 2, 3, 9, 5 and 10. So first of all here, test of divisibility by 2. Test of divisibility by 2. Students, a given number is divisible by 2 if its unit digits is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example 230. Its unit digit is 0. So it is exactly divisible by 2. Next example 524. Students, here unit digit is 4. So by rule of divisibility by 2, a given number is divisible by 2 if unit digits is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So here unit digit is 4. Therefore 524 is divisible by 2. Again, divisibility rules by 3. Divisible by 3. A given number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Example 513. 513. Sum of its digit is 5 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 9. So 509 is divisible by 3. Therefore 513 is also divisible by 3. Next example 963. So sum of its digits is 9 plus 6 plus 3 equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So 963 is also divisible by 3. Now test of divisibility by 9. A given number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Example 783. Sum of its digits is 7 plus 8 plus 3. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So 783 is divisible by 9. A given number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Now test of divisibility by 5. Test of divisibility by 5. A given number is divisible by 5 if its unit digits is 0 or 5. A given number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. Unit digit is 0 or 5. Example, 8230. Its unit digit is 0. So it is divisible by 5. Next, 7345. Here its unit digit is 5. So 7345 is exactly divisible by 5. Now test of divisibility by 10. Test of divisibility by 10. A given number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. If unit digit is 0. Example, 410. Its unit digit is 10. So 410 is divisible by 10. Next example, 5320. Its unit digit is also 0. Its unit digit is 0. Its unit digit is 0. So 5320 is exactly divisible by 10. The test of divisibility by 10, if a given number has unit plus 0 or a given number is divisible by 10 if unit digit is 0. Right? Students, continue various types of divisibility. Test of divisibility by 4, 8 and 11. First of all, test of divisibility by 4. Test of divisibility by 4. A given number is divisible by 4 if is number formed if the formed number y its last two digits is divisible by 4. A given number is divisible by 4 its the number formed its last two digits is divisible by 4. Students, example 1, in a given number is 728. A number is divisible by 4 the number for if the formed number its last two digits is divisible by 4. Here last two digits number is 28 and 28 divisible by 4. 4 7 is 28. So 728 is divisible by 4. Here a given number 2316. 2316. Its last two digits number formed is 16 and 16 is divisible by 4. 4 4 is 16. So 2316 is divisible by 4. Next, test of divisibility by 8. A given number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last three digits is divisible by 8. Here last three digit number is 040. So 40. 40 is divisible by 8. 8 5 is 40. So last three digits formed number is 40. 40 is divisible by 8. Therefore 2040 is divisible by 8. And next example, a given number is divisible by 8 if the number formed its last three digits its last three digits is divisible by 8. So 104 divided by 8. 8 1 is 8. remainder 2 and 4. 8 3 are 24. So 104 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 49,104 is divisible by 8. And last, test of divisibility by 11. A given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the odd plus digits and the sum of the even plus digits is 0 or multiple of 11. A given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the odd plus digits and the sum of the even plus digits is 0 or multiple of 11. So here one example, 3421. Odd plus digit 3 and 2. Even plus digit 4 and 1. Sum of odd digits 3 plus 2 is 5. And sum of the even plus digit 4 plus 1 equal to 5. And 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So 3421 is divisible by 11. Next number here 8,63,478. In this number odd plus digit is 8, 3 and 7. Even plus digit is 6, 4 and 8. Sum of the odd plus digit is 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7. 8 plus 3 plus 7 equal to 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 8 18. Next number is 6 plus 4 plus 8. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 8 18. Here 18 minus 18 equal to 0. So 8,63,478 is exactly divisible by 11. Write it. Students, last test of divisibility by 7. A given number is divisible by 7. First of all, its unit digit double. So 2 are 4 and it is 4 subtract excluding unit digits. So excluding ending unit digit number is 67. 67 minus 4. So it is 63. Now it is divisible by 7. Then the given number is divisible by 7. So 63 divided by 7. 7 9s are 63. Then 672 is divisible by 7. First, double the unit digits of given number and subtract double of unit digits is excluding unit digit of given number. So 67 minus 4. The number is 63. Now 63 divided by 7. If 63 divisible by 7, then the given number 672 is exactly divisible by 7. Next example is 5,341. Here unit digit is 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. Now it is subtracted from the excluding in unit digit the number. So excluding unit digit, the number will be 5034. 5034. 5034. Now in 5034 subtract twice the unit place. So 4 minus 2, 2 and 3 and 5. Now it is divided by 7. 7 times 49. 13 minus 9, 4. 4 minus 4, cancel. 2. 7 6 ja 42. It is divisible by 7. 532 is divisible by 7. So 5341 is divisible by 7. Students, with the help of various types of test of divisibility rules, you can solve exercise 5V. So today your homework is solve exercise 5V. Your homework is solve exercise 5V. Thanks you. That's all.